What's up, guys? I'm back with another vlog. Sorry about the things that I mentioned in the last vlog, that I will be sharing you some updates about the KTM bike that I have and about the issues that I have been experiencing. But this was already planned, and unfortunately I will be mentioning you all those things in the next vlogs. But today, yes, today is one of the wonderful days for any biker across India, because today is Indian Bike Week. Sorry about the sound. I'm at the Triumph showroom right now, and the other side is the service station. So yeah, as I was just saying, also another big thing for all the Triumph owners. Today is the Triumph week for all the riders. So since it's a Indian Bike Week, a lot of riders with a lot of different bikes with different brands are coming to the Tiger Point. Sorry, not the Tiger Point. Ambi Valley, Lonavala, for the Indian Bike Fest. So with that, we'll also be having the Triumph Riders Week, and we'll be having a blast. So I'll be heading there, and we'll see you there. Bye for now. Hey guys, I'm back on the highway right now, and the climate seems to be in favor of us. Earlier this morning it was completely cloudy. I'm not sure it was cloudy or the fog. I haven't seen the sun from last 3-4 days, and this sun is really pleasing me right now. And when I'm on the highway, I can whack the throttle and enjoy the beast. But hopefully I get a good space and clear from traffic to enjoy this one. Okay, so on this patch the road is not that great, as you can see over here. I don't know if the GoPro is able to justify the road, how it looks like. It's pretty scraped up, and it's approximately for more 3 odd or 4 odd kilometers, which is really risky to increase my pace over here. So it's better to ride at a normal speed till I get a good patch. So let's just enjoy the road, and let's meet up the Triumph buddies. All the Triumph owners will be meeting at the Triumph bike night today at 6, and over here it's 4 p.m. right now, heading towards over there. I hope it's not raining in Lonavala. A lot of my friends have gone there yesterday and today in the morning. They did mention it is raining out there. Now over here the sky is clean and clear, but can't trust Pune's climate, to be honest. I have some mixed feelings, but yeah, Lonavala is completely different. Since it's in the mountain hill areas, the weather is always a monsoon kind of a climate over there. Let's hope it doesn't rain over there, and we reach safely over there. So I have a GoPro set up at my rear. I hope you can see that. Let's enjoy now. This traffic is killing me. That was, whoa, the brakes are killer, man. The brakes are killer. just love the sound, man. I just love the sound. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If not, please do comment and let me know. How does she sound? What a wonderful sight, guys. Look at the sun. Oh my goodness. I hope the GoPro is justifying the video. As you can see, the hilltop, and it's not visible because of the fog, man. And it's 4:40 p.m. right now, and the wind is really cool, and it's almost covered with fog. Worst thing can ever happen when you are motovlogging, and that too with a GoPro. Everyone, I guess everyone across the world has experienced it, and they know about this. GoPro, you must do something about it. The GoPro completely stops recording after a period of time. Sometimes what happens, when you switch on your GoPro, it doesn't switch on. Now the only way to get that thing rectified is to remove the battery and reinsert it again and then start recording it. Whoa, that lose ample period of time for motovloggers, because they have to first remove their gloves, their helmet, then take out the GoPro, remove the battery from the case, and then plug it in. A lot of things, man. That actually ruins the momentum. But anyways, I do love GoPro at the end of the day, no matter how bad experience I had. But honestly, it's been 4 years I've been using this GoPro Hero 7 Black, and apart from this issue, I had never experienced any kind of problem, and it is so phenomenal, man. GoPro, hats off for everything, for building such a wonderful action camera. So today Lonavala will be completely jam-packed with traffic, especially with the bikers. As we know, it's an Indian Bike Week, the most important date and an event for India. And as we know, since it's Indian Bike Week, a lot of riders will be coming across the country to be a part of it. Oh wow, that's a Harley. We have a Triumph over here. The Tiger Group. And we are about to reach the location, so alright. Okay, there we go. I hope I'm not the first person. Oh no, there are people. What an entry. Okay, this guy was also waiting for me. Finally guys, the bike night for Triumph is done. We had a great blast. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully we'll have a lot more to come thanks to Triumph India. And we had a blast. We have all the bikes over here and we'll be taking it forward. So ride hard, ride safe, enjoy.